This tutorial shows you how to get warned when a saved password is compromised and use one-click fixes where supported. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. After that, click on the three dots menu at the top right. From there, click on Passwords and Autofill. At this point, click on Google Password Manager. In the next step, click on Settings within Password Manager. Following this, make sure Offer to Save Passwords is toggled on, since alerts depend on Chrome actually storing your passwords. Once done, look for the toggle labeled Warn You if passwords are compromised, and make sure it's turned on. From here, click on Password Checkup within this same menu to manually scan your saved passwords right now. At this stage, if any compromised passwords are found, Chrome will show a Change Password button next to them. Keep in mind, this one-click automatic change only works on websites that support it, so some sites will still require you to update the password manually. Finally, click on Change Password next to any flagged entry and follow the prompts to let Chrome generate and save a new one automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on automatic password change alerts in Chrome on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.